for your first question?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. What do you use to cut paper?
Scissors.
Scissors is correct. For your first prize, you get a radiator hose, pinch-off pliers.
All right. Cool.
Question, what do we breathe?
Air.
Air is correct. For your second prize, you get a metal detector.
All right. Cool. Thank you.
What is the approximate height of the Leaning Tower of Pisa in feet?
245 feet?
It is 245 feet. Your final answer.
No. 780 feet?
It is 780 feet. Your final answer.
Yeah.
Okay, that is incorrect. It's 186 feet, roughly. Thank you so much for playing.
All right.